Welcome back to this week's episode of the Coyote build. Today we have one of the most exciting steps of the whole build, test fitting the body. As you can see, we positioned the weather stripping where we would like it on the upper frame section in the cockpit tub. Now we're going to set the body on, get everything positioned the way we want it before we rivet it down. Man, that looks nice. Really brings it together. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned next time as we continue the build process.